Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. While you are here, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Also take a minute to check out some of our previous videos, and I am so proud to say that we have officially hit over 2,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. In today's video, let's talk about under the staircase ideas. So if you're lucky enough to have your own under the staircase space, why not reassess the space and turn it into something that you've always wanted in your home? A carpenter can easily take your measurements and create some shelves or drawer areas for you just for extra storage. Or take your own measurements and find a cute console table or small settee bench or chair to fit in that space to create another living space in your room. If you or someone that you live with is handy with a hammer and a few nails, how about create a custom-made bookshelf or bookcase that goes under your staircase? Once again, a custom-made shelving unit or system of drawers is perfect for combating some of that clutter that is always in our home. Now everything has a perfect space. So how about a designated pet area for your furry friends? You can either create a system of drawers designed specifically for them, or even carve out a little nook for them so they always have a designated space in your home. Now, if you are a wine lover and connoisseur, then this idea is for you. What about your own custom-made wine rack or wine room underneath the stairs? You don't even need to add on to your existing square footage. Adding on to this idea, if a wine room is not your thing, what about a full mini bar under the stairs? You have space for wine, all of your drinks and mixers, and it's all right there for you. One thing that most houses can use is an extra restroom, in this case a powder room, which if it's small enough, it'll fit perfectly in that space. This does require some extra help from a plumber though. If a kid's playroom is high on your list, what about turning it into a cute little nook for your kids or grandkids? I think this is such a cute idea. And if a home office for you or your loved one is out of the question right now, this is the perfect space to create a tiny one, but still a space for you to work in. Probably one of my favorite ideas, creating a small little nook just to tuck away in the middle of the day. I think I would line these shelves with a few books, maybe a couple of bookshelves, and just really create an intimate little cozy reading nook for myself. I think this is so gorgeous. Also, what about a pantry? If you're someone that doesn't have a full pantry at their home, this could be a great idea to really give you the space that you need while you are cooking up a storm. So let me know what your favorite usage of that under the stairs space was. If you want to know my favorite, it is this right here. This just looks so comfortable Look at all that storage. I thought this room was great. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.